Corruption, corruption, corruption. Yes, a lot of corruption in this country. We know that. What am I hearing about this Australia High Commissioner saying corruption is our problem in this country? Yes, we know. We know corruption is our problem. We don't need him to tell us because they are part of it. Because when you hide behind the curtains giving ministers money, that's when corruption comes. They should stop telling us that there is corruption in this country. We know. They should stop. Massa, we don't need they are saying this issue. When they stop giving money behind the curtains, there will be no corruption. What am I hearing about this NDC vice chairman? Is it serious? Saying NPP is the most corrupt government ever in Ghana's history. Is it serious? You see, the problem we have in this country is that people don't do research. Because themselves, they are the most corrupt in their time. Yes, in their time, they are most corrupt. And we all know what they do with money. They spread the money as if, we have the machine in this country that we cut our own money. They should just let us be. NDC should let us be. Stop painting the picture as if NPP is corrupt to the extent that when you mention the name corrupt, it's only NPP that comes in mind. Please, they should leave us alone. And what is Yaw Asafo for? The senior minister saying, blaming people for their misfortune, blaming people for not working, for not living up to expectation. That's why the corruption is much in this country. No, he shouldn't say that. He's wrong, because he should search inside the party. They are there. They are hiding behind. Those ministers are there. They are the most corrupt. He has the chance. He has the second chance to fish them out. So fish them out. That's what he needs to do. Action. That's what we need. Ghanaians need action now, not words, not papers, not blames. We don't need that now. We should work hard and leave us alone. Work and stop talking. Talking is not good. That's not what we need. Action. Do the action than to talk or to write or speak. We don't need that one. And Kweku Bonsam, what is he saying now? Predicting a death in Parliament House? He's not serious. I thought he's even dead. Oh, he's still alive. We thank God. Praise be to God. That's not what we need. We don't need death as a prediction. No. There's corruption in this country. That's what we need to face. That's what we need to tackle. He should predict when corruption is going to stop in this country. He should predict when those ministers will stop hiding behind the curtains, taking money from foreigners, leading them to rule Ghana, leading them to make Ghana the worst place for us. Yes, maybe one day I will predict. I will be the one to predict the corruption free in the future. Maybe one day we shall prosper. Yes, indeed, Ghana shall prosper.